Hi there, students. To covet, covetous as an adjective. This, to covet, means to want to possess something, to have an eager or unreasonable desire to possess something, particularly things that belong to someone else, to desire them in an envious way. I wish I had a big car like his. I'm jealous of him. I would like one like that. To long for something, to long excessively, inordinately, maybe even immorally, to have the things of other people. Okay? So he covets that job. He covets your job. He would do anything to get it. He's jealous of you, or he's jealous because you have that job. To covet, to desire what does not belong to you. Notice they often used covet as well with just meaning strongly desired. So the prize was much coveted, and he won the coveted prize. He had the coveted honour of making the speech. Notice one of the 10 commandments is thou shalt not covet. Do not covet. Because it implies you are not satisfied with your life. You're not satisfied with the things that you already have. Okay, so to covet. This comes from French, Covet, and this then in turn comes from Latin, cupiditas, desire. Yeah? In English we have a word cupidity, a strong desire or an overwhelming desire for wealth and money and riches. Okay, so to covet, to really want something. Now, this is probably quite a formal word, maybe 6.5 informality. I don't think I would use to covet in an informal conversation. To want jealously, if you like. But use covet in a semi-formal framework or in a formal writing, and it's going to sound like a really good word, better than want or wish I had. Okay? So, to covet, a regular verb. He coveted his neighbour's house. He coveted the toys that his brother had. Okay? He wished they were his, and he felt a bit envious about it. Okay, so to covet. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To covet.